Hi there and welcome to another vlog. This is a Fabric Godmother Dream Wardrobe unboxing. If you haven't received yours and you like the surprise, hold off. There was a couple of days delay with this box because they had a record amount of sign-ups this month, and yeah, I know this because they sent us an email. And yeah, I think they had a bit more fabric to cut out, and they sort of got me really intrigued because it was like a really special box this month, so I can't wait to open it. But I hope you're well. I would just like to say thank you so much for the couple of coffees from lovely people. I'm really crap for remembering names. I wish I wrote them down, but I will put them on the screen and just say thank you. So if you do want to contribute to the channel and it's running, please do. Yeah, but thank you so much. It just warms me up, like from the inside that someone goes out of the way to give me a coffee. But indeed, all your likes, your comments, your subscribes warms me up even more. We are so close to 2k and I've been putting things together for a wee giveaway. So once I reach the 2k, then I'll be talking about the wee giveaway. That rhymes. Anyway, right, let's get this box unboxed, opened. So you get fabric, you get a pattern, either PDF, which is normally printed, or you can get the paper form. You get a lovely gift, and usually the thread as well, or a sewing notion. Right, okay. And also the QR code that you look up and you get the information, Emma. So, right, I give my address away to. That is the box. Are you ready? Oh, this is the perfect box for an upcoming challenge. Look at that fabric, it's fruity. You know Blossom Sandwich, aka Stash Up? Yvette, she does a challenge every year and it's called So Fruity. And you have to sew something fruity up from your stash. Or buy some fruity fabric. I've got a few fruity fabrics. Oh, this feels like a linen. So it's got grapes, tomatoes, lemons, wine, cheese, lemons. Is that cherries or tomatoes? I think it's tomatoes, but hey ho, I liked a bit of tomatoes. Different kinds of grapes. A baguette. You've got maybe a seafood platter. Wine. Kind of all my favourite things. Fabulous. Oh, oh. Hang on. So this is May 2024. I think this is 4 needles. Get 4. So the weekend. I think this is kind of a picnic theme. Get 2 of these, and there's another one, a different one, and 2 of these. You get the thread that matches, and the pattern. The fleur dress and blouse. This is a new pattern from Fabric Godmother. Ha! Okay. Ha! It's giving me the vibes that I like. Ties at the front or the back. I think that's the front. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get illustrations. Oh, that is nice. That was like so nice in that fabric. Oh, very nice. I can see why they were excited about this box. So it comes in a B cup and a D cup, and the size range is, I'm trying to find out for you, 6 to 30. I think, yes. So yeah, so that's the AO copied. So they will probably give me a link to the instructions via the QR code. That feels like a linen viscose, but I could be wrong, so I'm going to look up. Yeah, so basically they printed off the top and dress, so I've got an option. Right. Sorry guys, hope you're not motion sickness. Right, so I'm gonna go and look up the information on the QR code and we can get talking about this. Hold on. So my iPad is just being a bit of a menace. So fortunately I've printed out the instructions, so that'll keep me right. It is a viscose and linen mix, and it's an early exclusive to the Dream Wardrobe subscribers, so hey, for us, as well as the pattern. The floor dress will be released to the general public on the 4th of June. This is from the email. This is not a secret. Somewhat. So yes, I really like the look of this floor dress, so I'm going to show you this. So it's got a placket with tie. I'll just show you here so you can see the front, and it's got a placket underneath to stop you revealing too much. And that's back there, that's front. You can do sleeves, but what the Dream Wardrobe box is, you can do the sleeveless version of the dress. You've got enough fabric for that, or the version, the blouse with the sleeves. So you can either do one or the other. I don't think there'll be enough fabric for the sleeves on the dress, which I would like, but hey ho, I can live with a sleeveless dress. I think this is going to be absolutely beautiful. So I'll just give you a little rundown of the floor dress and blouse. Is a pretty and versatile pattern. The playful bow ties and gathered peplum add an element of fun to this garment. Plus, a secret placket stops you showing more than you might want to in between the bows. Yay! Made in a lightweight cotton or linen, this is the perfect summer dress or blouse. You can also use a heavier weight fabric and wear the sleeveless version as a pinafore dress in cooler weather. That's an awesome idea. The swing level is level 1, so it's like a advanced beginner dressmaker. It doesn't include any fiddly zips or buttonholes, which is quite great. I think the only fiddly bit would be putting on the bias, neckline, and also the ties, and doing the ties, turning them inside out. I don't think you have to turn them inside out. I think it's a fold over method and then stitch. So yeah, you just need interfacing, the main fabric, thread, sewing machine, and basic sewing tools. So yeah, recommended fabrics, fabrics with a bit of body such as cotton, poplin, linen viscose mix, which is the fabric that we've received, lightweight denim, even a chambray, would be quite nice. Viscose, lightweight viscose chalet, that would be quite nice. How about a chiffon? This is more experience, but even a slip underneath, amazing. Yeah. For a fancy version, use a sparkly brocade or use a denim or cord to make a winter version. Oh, liking that. So it's a very loose fitting dress and blouse. The waist seam sits just above your natural waist and the skirt falls loosely, stopping at low calf length. They have included 2 cup sizes, B and a D cup. So check out the sizes that we need for that. 2 body sheets, one for the version with sleeves and one for the version without. The version with sleeves only has darts in the D cup. And yeah, so I'm just going to see about the measurements and sizing. Some of my black ink from my printer has decided to fail on me. So, I'm going to read the imperial measurements because that's how I try and work out what size I am. So, the bust for the B cup goes from a 31.5 inch to a 55.25 inch. The bust for the D cup goes from a 33.5 inch to a 57.25 inch. The waist goes from 23.5 inches to 47.25 inch, and the hip goes from a 33 inch to a 57.75 inch. Now the finished garment measurements for the hip is 87 for the biggest size. The waist is 47.75. Okay. The bust, you'll see what I'll do. Maybe bust B. I'll do maybe a size. Oh no, sugar it. I'm just looking at size 18. So yeah, so the size chart I was right. The finished garment measurements for the hip is 93.75. If I were, yeah, that's fine. I'm not worried about the bust or the waist. Now, I was like looking at the size 18, I was like, what? So yeah, quite happy with the sizing. So it goes up from a 6 to 30, and if you want to recap the inches, hit 10 twice maybe, or 3 times, to reverse on your phone. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, so that's it. I'm so happy with the fabric. It's really unusual. I don't think I would actually buy this if I hadn't got it in the box. I would have been a bit hit and miss about it, but I really, really, really like it. Plus it's ivory, it's not like white. I'm kind of nervous that it's cream ivory. But yeah, it'll work. Just white wine and no red wine, people near me. Even though it's got like red wine there. But I'm loving the labels. They are so cute. Threads on the floor. And yeah, I am itching to get this in the wash. Will this be my first ever Fabric Godmother Dream Wardrobe unboxing make? Probably, because I'm going to go and get it in the wash right now so it can dry, and maybe you'll see it in a week's time, depending on how the sewing space is. I mean, I can get to my sewing machine, no problem. So yeah, I've got that problem. I've got that solution worked out. I can get to the sewing machine so I don't have a breakdown as such. Because, I mean, seriously. But yeah, otherwise, happy sewing, people. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, a wee comment, share it if you will. Yeah, just get this video out a wee bit further afield, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Would love you to have it on the channel. I believe that's not like going to affect my algorithm anymore. Apparently, subscribers don't matter. It's the likes and see if you come to the end of the video. Why does it keep changing? But anyway, ta-ta for the now, and I'll be back very, very soon. Oh, by the way, I am wearing the Megan Nielsen. It was on my tip of the tongue a minute ago. Pro-tier dress that I tested for her a couple of years ago. And this dress came as a 5 pattern option. So you got the dress, the skirt, the top, and something else. 2 other things. All different necklines as well. The square neckline, I think you got a round neckline. This is the square one, and it's so comfy. I made it out of a viscose from Rainbow Fabrics. It's kind of a paisley antiques vibe. I'll stick a picture of me in it on there for you. Yeah, I'm gonna go now before I yab it anymore, and I'm going to put this in the wash because I'm so excited. Might actually overlock it before I put it in the wash, but it's going to just be on a 20-minute spin. So yeah, that's how I roll. Hey, bye.